राष्ट्रपति रामनाथ कोविंद ने एम्स जोधपुर के दूसरे दीक्षांत समारोह को संबोधित करते हुए कहा कि डॉक्टर और नर्स को अतिरिक्त सम्मान दिया जाता है। विशेषकर हमारे देश में भगवान के बाद उनका नाम आता है। एम्स के दीक्षांत समारोह को संबोधित करते हुए राष्ट्रपति रामनाथ कोविंद ने नव डॉक्टरों को कहा कि वो चाहे प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल में काम करें या उच्च शिक्षा में और अध्ययन करें, हमेशा सम्मान बनाए रखें और डॉक्टरी पेशे के उच्च मापदंड का पालन करें। डॉक्टरी एक ऐसा पेशा है जिसे चारों तरफ से समाज देखता है। उन्होंने एम्स और आईआईटी जोधपुर द्वारा मिलकर अनुसंधान कार्य करने की बात कहते हुए कहा कि देश में ऐसे गिने चुने शहर हैं जहां आईआईटी और एम्स दोनों एक साथ संचालित हो रहे हैं। ऐसे में जोधपुर का महत्व अपने आप में ही बढ़ जाता है। आईआईटी और एम्स के साथ आने से नॉलेज इनोवेशन क्लस्टर का विकास होगा। राष्ट्रपति ने कहा कि एम्स दिल्ली के बाद एम्स जोधपुर का स्थान होना इसकी सफलता की कहानी है। एम्स जोधपुर ने अपनी स्थापना के 7 साल के दौरान अब तक 24 लाख मरीजों का इलाज किया है। समारोह में राज्यपाल कलराज मिश्र, मुख्यमंत्री अशोक गहलोत, केंद्रीय जल शक्ति मंत्री गजेंद्र सिंह शेखावत, केंद्रीय चिकित्सा स्वास्थ्य मंत्री डॉक्टर हर्षवर्धन, एम्स जोधपुर के डायरेक्टर डॉक्टर संजीव मिश्रा सहित कॉलेज की फैकल्टी और स्टूडेंट सहित गणमान्य लोग उपस्थित थे।
Ladies and gentlemen, AIIMS Jodhpur was set up with the mission to provide to people of this region healthcare facilities and medical education at par with the best of the nation. I am pleased to know that in a short span of 7 years, it has excelled in the field of medical education and become a top choice of the students after AIIMS Delhi. This shows the hard work being done by the faculty and the students. I am sure you will continue to strive to take this institution to greater heights. I learned that AIIMS Jodhpur is also fulfilling its role as a state-of-art research center. It is heartening to know that the institute not only supports research through its intramural grants, but also has funding from both international and national agencies. The establishment of various specialized centers and labs shows the commitment of the institution towards strengthening research. At the same time, the institute is also working on the local healthcare matters of this region. There is also a need to develop low-cost diagnostic, treatment and rehabilitative services. I am told that this institute is setting up an innovation center for medical technology along with IIT Jodhpur. The two are also collaborating for an AIIMS IIT Knowledge Innovation Cluster. This is a welcome step as this will boost the medical technology sector in the country. It is important that India starts making its own equipment that not only serves to provide affordable healthcare but also sets up India as a medical technology hub as part of the Make in India initiative. Only a few cities in the country are blessed with an AIIMS as well as an IIT, and this great city of Jodhpur is among them. I urge these institutes here to continue working together for betterment of people in this area and the country. The AIIMS Jodhpur also strives to improve the health of tribal people in this part of Rajasthan with the help of the Ministry of Tribal Affairs and the state government. This endeavor is also a part of Unnat Bharat Abhiyan. Such worthy initiatives are expected from institutions like AIIMS. They not only have to provide therapeutic services but also need to give preventive care for betterment of society. As an institute of national importance, AIIMS Jodhpur has a critical role in implementing the health programs of the government and trained manpower in this region.